Hey guys, so as you can see out here today, I got my tent set up. Glorious day, beautiful day, nice and shady, nice, not too hot. I don't think I'm gonna put the rain fly on today, tonight. It's too nice of a night to do that. But what I am going to do now is get some firewood rounded up, um, get some firewood, and then just kind of do some camp chores and chill out. I needed to get out of the house, and this is like my area that I get away and go and be gone. But look how nice it is out here. I found this tucked up in here. It's nice. Nobody's out here. Well, there's people down lower, but I hiked up in here a little bit. You can see my mess I got. I got some good food. Breakfast is gonna be good. I got a new method of making coffee I'm gonna try out, so we'll find that out in the morning. But let's go get some firewood and go from there. Go. That's down. I am going to cut open this branch and see if we can find some fat wood in here. I see a little bit right there, but not too much. So down this trail, I saw an aspen tree down. There's trees everywhere. Look at that widowmaker. Man, I want to camp underneath that one. Yeah, this aspen will work. This aspen trees dry out pretty relatively quick. So this one, there's trees everywhere, man. That one's really green. So nice up here. I mean, look at this forest. Look where I live. I mean, seriously, this is about, it's probably about a 35-minute drive from my house. It's just awesome to live here, man. Pretty cool to live here in Utah. It's pretty cool. This is the crap that pisses me off. Look, there's this tucked up in here, and look, I'll pick this up when I leave, but I mean, look at the garbage people live here. Seriously? I mean, come on. We're grown people here. We don't need to be. Why? Look at, I'll pick all this up when I leave, but just makes me, ugh. Look at this widowmaker here. Look at that. Up there. So I haven't been feeling very good this last week. I don't know what it is, but something just, I don't know. But so we're probably gonna stay up for a little while. It's 5 o'clock now, so probably I'll probably start a small fire and make some dinner here in a little bit. But yeah, well, I got enough firewood for a while, but I don't know. Nice out here, beautiful. Pine cones and flowers. Firearm with me, but that thing, can you see it? It's my AR. Yay! I want to go see if I can shoot some small game or something like that. I was waiting for the mailman because he had a package that I wanted to bring. Oh, he had a package I wanted to bring up here. So I got it, and I was really disappointed in it. I just should have known that I shouldn't have bought it, but I did. Oh well, shit happens. But so I told you my laptop crashed, and so I'm having to film everything with my phone, iPhone. Yes, I'm an iPhone person. So I did a mail call yesterday, and I just wanted to shout out again to Fred, Outdoor-ish Noakes. He sent me some awesome stuff, and I'm gonna start the fire with it. He sent me some fat wood, some birch bark, so I'm gonna start the fire with that stuff. But Jerry did a mail call, some stuff I sent him. He was pretty excited. He was pretty stoked. I sent him some good shit, I'm not gonna lie. But Jerry's a good dude, and I like him. He's done a lot for my channel, and I appreciate him. But I hooked him up. I'm not gonna lie to you, I hooked him up. So, but it's 5:30. Jerry, he sent me this Altoids. It was full of Altoids, but I don't like Altoids, so I threw them away. But this is I just made this yesterday, before I came up here. So my new backpacking fire kit. I have fire kits in like bug out bags and stuff, but I didn't have one for my backpack. So let's take a look at what's in here. Okay, so I've got, smells like cinnamon, a lighter, Vaseline cotton balls and some plastic just to keep them. This is the fat wood that Fred sent me. Thank you, Fred, again. 2 makeup. I cut them so they fit in there. So 2 makeup with infused in wax. I don't have my flint and steel, but I do have some char cloth here. And then some birch bark. And then in the bottom of that, I have a few 2 alcohol swabs. I'm excited to get this fire going. Just like counting down the time. I don't know what else to do. So I made this little platform to put my shavings on. So why I'm so excited to get that birch bark is we have birch trees, birch trees, like in people's yards, but in our mountains here in Utah, we don't have birch trees. So I got right here. I mean, look down this trail. It's just awesome. It's the pine trees. That's another thing is that there's 6 pine trees down, and I've cut into all of them to see if I can find some firewood, and I can't. Somebody tell me, is it a certain pine tree? Is it, what kind of pine tree is it? You know, we got dug. Oh, damn it. Fuck me. Okay, so I got the ferro rod that Jerry sent me. Thanks again, Jerry. And we will give this a shot. Hey. All right. Bingo bango. So, I got some everything to do tonight. We got US Marine. So we got. It's a pretty good little fire for that little wood. That's burning. Here's what I got. I got spaghetti and meat sauce in there. I got it in some water. I'm gonna boil it. See if that gets it hot. Okay, so I got my cheese in there, and we're letting it melt. These were like $3.95. Hi. So we'll try this out. See how it is. I brought the cheese to try and make it a little better. Not bad. I had a chicken stew or something like that the other day. I think it was awesome. is spatula. I'm gonna carve up this edge a little bit. What's going on? Carve that off. Oh, in there, right there. It's getting soft. I got coals around it, and it takes a minute to cook that apple. Can you guys see me? So I laid down for a little bit. I listened to I got it on audiobook. It's the Constitution, so I was in there listening to that. Took a little rest. Felt good. I feel a little bit revisited, rejuvenated. Decided I was hungry, so I decided to come out and get something to eat. But let's get back. So good. Got it. So see the cinnamon on there? How crusty it is. I got some sugar on there. Oh, it is delicious. Needs more sugar. Oh. 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 Delicious. So good. We're going to bed. I'm going to take this sweater off. Then use it as my pillow. But till the morning, we will see you in the morning. Have a good night, guys. What's up, guys? Well, trying to get out of bed to start a fire. It's like 6 o'clock. I can't get out of bed though. It's too cold. It's cold out there. But I'm gonna vape for a minute. See if the sun's gonna come up. Damn it. See if the sun's gonna come up. I don't know if it is or not. Ugh. I woke up at like 2:30. Got a little chilly, so I put my sweater on. But it gets cold up in these mountains, man. There's a 20 degree. Alright guys, so I got out. So this is what I got. This is a coffee filter, and I put coffee in it. So I guess I'm gonna use it like a tea bag, like that. So we're gonna try this. That is one hot fire. There we go. Damn, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Vaseline and cotton ball. I had to. It was too cold. It was too cold. Everything's wet, so my wood is wet, so you know. All right, guys, here it is. Bacon and eggs with cheese. So, coffee. Got my coffee. Bacon and eggs. Cooked in bacon grease. Yeah. Salt and pepper. I always think that cheese is gonna make everything better, but I come to find out it doesn't. Even the bacon sucks. Well, I had a good time. It was nice to get out of the house. I needed it. Needed to get out of the house. But I don't know. I'm gonna break down camp, head on home, mow the lawn, edit this video, put it on the internet, put it on YouTube. I'll probably show me breaking down camp, but for now I'm gonna eat my breakfast, and then we'll see what goes from there. Sun's coming out right over there. It's getting close.